Today, we're diving into the Acer Aspire 1 D257-13450 laptop LCD screen replacement. This 10.1-inch WSVGA LED display brings a crisp and vibrant visual experience. The Acer brand ensures reliability, and the connectivity technology via VGA is a straightforward setup. Designed for personal use, this replacement screen boasts an SVGA wide resolution, delivering clear visuals for your computing needs. Whether you're working on documents, watching videos, or browsing the web, the 10.1-inch size strikes a balance between portability and usability. The installation process is user-friendly, making it accessible for those looking to replace their laptop screens at home. The LED technology not only provides bright and vivid colors but also contributes to energy efficiency. In summary, if you're in need of a reliable and quality replacement for your Acer Aspire 1 D257-13450 laptop, this 10.1-inch WSVGA LED screen is a solid choice. It's a seamless integration that enhances your personal computing experience with its clear visuals and user-friendly installation process. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.